na walang kapalit, bukal sa kalooban. Ang tanging hangarin ay magsilbi sa bayan. Sulong na Bayan! Programang sa inyo, alas 3 hanggang alas 4 ng hapon. Sulong na Bayan! Kasama si Miss Loli Acosta sa DWIZ 882.
Right, mapagpalang hapon po sa ating mga tagapakinig. Welcome po sa ating programang Sulong na Bayan. At sa hapon po ito, actually kahapon ay nagkaroon po tayo ng bagong kaalaman, di po ba? Dahil naging panauhin natin ang Vice President for Sales and Marketing ng Eternal Gardens. This time, gusto natin naman paalam sa ating mga tagapakinig. Ano nga po ba ang kahalagahan ng magkaroon ng isang funeral service plan? Okay, sabi nga po nila, death is not the opposite of life, but a part of it. So, having a funeral services plan is also important in planning since it is a part of life. I remember, in preview lang, my mother, when she passed away, it was 4 years ago, I saw her body lying there lifeless. So, alam ko na, siya ay dead. And then I was crying and grieving. At syempre, hindi ko na alam what's the next step. I called my sister and my brother, Sister Florence, and my brother, Yusek Robert. And I knew they were calling the funeral services already. So sabi ko, it's really important when you don't know what's gonna happen. Ito, nagpa-plan ka way ahead of time ng funeral services. So that when this thing comes, or ito yung inevitable, actually, ready tayo, di po ba? So again, gusto natin i-welcome sa ating programa, no less than the Senior Assistant Vice President for Sales ng Eternal Plans Inc., si Sir Rolly Bongalon. Hello sir, welcome po sa ating programa.
Hi, good afternoon, Ms. Rolly, good afternoon po. At sa mga lahat ng kikinig, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Alright. Gusto muna natin pong i-educate natin ang ating mga tagapakinig, mga viewers, sa pandemya po ngayon. Ito na pong kinakaharap natin for the past 2 years at alam po natin, dumami ang bilang ng deaths, At karamihan sa ating mga loved ones ay hindi handa. Magugulat ka lang, yung isang kamag-anak, kapatid, kuya, ate, biglang nauna na sa atin. And then, hindi po nila alam ang karamihang ang gagawin. And may I just very quickly greet, ito po nagte-text, namatay po kasi ang mami ng aking best friend dyan sa San Francisco, dito sa Black Hawk Drive sa San Francisco. So, condolences. At ito nga po ay iuuwi nila sa ating bansa dyan sa Pilipinas very soon. But again, educate us first, Sir Rolly. Ano po ba ang ibig sabihin ng Memorial Life Plan? Go ahead po.
Okay. If there is one thing that this pandemic really illustrates is yung sense of mortality. Na parang whereas before, pwedeng sabihin natin death is always a possibility. Because of this pandemic, na nakikita natin mga kakilala, mga kaibigan, kakilala ng kakilala dying, yung probability is no longer just a possibility, but a probability, meaning to say a close awareness of what's happening na mas marami ang namamatay. And in that regard, para sa amin, in the life plan industry sa pre-need, ito po ay nagpapakita sa atin na dahil kinakailangan paghandaan. Sabi mo nga kanina, it's death, it's not a question of if we will die, but kung kailan yon. So, kinakailangan our campaign as a company, our advocacy is na sana ang lahat ng tao ay mapaghandaan ang bagay na ito. Because when we are ready, mangyari man yon, it's no longer a problem, but an event that pwedeng i-celebrate ng pamilya o ng tao. Sabihin na natin yung namamatay mismo. Kasi if you are not ready, death will always be a problem. But if you are ready, it will not be a problem. That is our advocacy. We would like people, our families, to be ready for that. Kasi sigurado mangyayari yun. Hindi lang natin kung kailan.
Right. And there's no telling what's gonna happen next. Tama po kayo dyan, ano? Dahil nga, sumasapit tayo ngayon sa ating pinakaharap na COVID-19, pandemya, and all. Importante po talaga para kang somehow, hindi mo na siya, sabi nga nila, hindi na yan surprise eh. Ito na yung celebration of life. In fact, pagka ayan nga, yung ibang mga hindi nagkakakita-kita ng madalas, at tapos biglang may namatay sa pamilya, ito na rin po yung isa sa pamamaraan na magkamustahan din, di po ba? So, but of course, ayaw natin na may mawala sa ating mahal sa buhay. Ano po. So, yun po, ulitin lang po, why do we need a life plan? Bakit po kakailanganin?
Sabi nga natin, everybody will die, so you will have to go through that. So what it does is, one of ang benepisyo ng life plan is, it provides memorial services at the time of need. Okay. So, memorial services at the time of need. It is a complete memorial services from the pick-up of the body hanggang ihatid sa huling hantungan. At, ang tao, hindi lang yung tao mismo ang namamatay, kundi sa experience natin as a Filipino, na hindi lang siya ang namamatay, kundi ang pamilya mismo. Somehow, a part of us dies. Right. Kung yung pamilya natin o kaya mahal sa buhay ay namamatay. At dahil a part of us dies, katulad ng sinabi mo kanina, ng experience mo na parang hindi natin alam kung anong gagawin. Okay. But with a life plan, there is a ready cash that can be used for memorial services. And most of all, quantifiable po the benefit ng life plan. There is a memorial service representative na mag-aasikaso noon. Na para bang ganito may umaalalay sa atin na very popular sa mga sa ibang nations. Mayroon tayong mga wedding planner, vacation planner. In a way, yung memorial services na binibigay natin, parang memorial service facilitator na namamahala kung ano ang gagawin to render the best and the most dignified services, memorial services para doon sa mahal sa buhay. So that is what the life plan does. Okay. At alam na, sabi namin, if you have that, so pwedeng sabihin na natin, quote and unquote, okay, it will be easier dying than if you don't have it. Okay. Yun po ang main benefit ng life plan natin.
At saka kahapon po kasi nagkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon na kapanayam naman ang ating kapatid dyan sa Eternal Gardens, si Vice President for Sales na si Sir Joey Rivera. At pinakita niya rin po at in-explain niya na napakahalaga rin na magkaroon na rin ng burial plot na talagang nakahanda na po. So again, sa Eternal Plans po, do people get a life plan? Level of acceptance among tayo, mga kababayan natin Pinoy.
Napakaganda po. Kasi ganito po, having been in the life plan industry, Eternal Plans has been in the life plan industry since 1981. Okay. So we have been for 40 years selling the life plan, helping people prepare for this eventuality. At next experience namin, mas marami na ngayon ang bumibili ng life plan. Though, compared to the Philippine population, we are more than 110 million now. Now, if you compare the penetration of people or the number of people getting a life plan, talagang mababa pa po. Para po itong life insurance. Sa life insurance industry, 2 to 3% of the Philippine population may life insurance. Much lesser than that ang mayroong life plan. So nandun pa rin ang challenge namin as a company. Okay, ang vision ng company is that everybody at least sa bawat bahay, meron man lang na life plan. Na para ba itong kotse? Parang kotse na hindi mo pwedeng patakbuhin ng malayo kung wala kang reserva. Wala kang spare tire. So that is our campaign. We would like na sana ang bawat bahay merong life plan man lang. May life plan na just in case kung ano man mangyari, may magagamit. So that is our vision. So in terms of penetration, compared to the total Filipino population, talaga po sabihin natin, less than 2% ang mayroong life plan. So that is the challenge, the work of Eternal Plans is cut out for us. At hindi kami magsasawa really educate people towards the need, itong benepisyo ng life plan na binibigay. Hindi lang sa individual na mamatay, kundi most of all, to the family na maiiwan.
And you talk about family. So is it good to have 1 or 2 plans for each family po? Or you don't need to get a plan for each family member since memorial plans pala are transferable? Tama po ba yan?
Yes po. Ang kampanya natin, sana meron man lang, at the least po, merong isa. Because pag ginamit naman ang isa, pwede naman bumili ng panibago at ma-replace yun. Katulad ng sinabi mo, ito po yung medyo po na nagkakaroon ng confusion ang mga tao regarding transferable and assignable. Ang transferable po, ang ibig sabihin nito, if I buy one, I can change ownership. Pwede kong ipamigay na iba na ang may-ari nun. So we call that transfer. So, it works. It's very practical. Nakalibawa, ganito, nasa Pilipinas ako, nandito ang buong pamilya ko, we would like to migrate to another place outside of the country. I can always transfer my life plan to others. So, buo po yun na benepisyo na naililipat doon sa new plan holder. Yung assignable naman na sinasabi natin, ito po yung may life plan ako, at gusto kong ipagamit sa iba na deceased person, that is what we call assignment. So when we say a life plan for every home, na sana parang spare tire nga, parang spare tire na flat yung front tire, you have the same spare tire na pwede doon sa kaliwa o sa kanan. So that's what we call assignability. So everybody is protected even with just one life plan para sa isang bahay.
Okay. Siyempre po, gusto natin na talagang makahandang maigi. Ano po? But at least, sabi niyo nga po, isa lang sa familia. Pagdating po sa budget, sa Rolly, alam po natin these are hard times dahil nga daing wala ng trabaho, daing nasarado ang kumpanya. So, if you do have a budget, can you get more than one funeral service plan? Or ano po, consider, ano po yung size ng family?
Okay. Actually po, we have the same problem. Yung pre-need industry po has the same problem, almost the same problem as the life insurance industry. Kung makikita po natin, ang penetration rate ng life insurance industry, nandito po sa parte ng middle class. Meaning to say, they have the budget para dito sa klaseng memorial service. Ganoon din po yun. Sa life plan po, meron po tayong mga life plan programs na pwedeng para doon sa may budget. Pero ang maganda po, this is our competitive advantage as a company. As a company, we have what we call a micro pre-need plan. And Eternal Plans is the only one that has this.
Really? Wow.
Just imagine a life plan na pwedeng ang budget mo ay 2 pesos a day.
Oh, wow.
So we have that. Only Eternal Plans has it. A budget na ganito. Pag ganito ang amount for the micro pre-need life plan natin. Kaya lang po itong micro pre-need plan natin, because with that kind of budget, ito po talaga parang life insurance ito na ang coverage, kung sino ang cover nun, siya lang po ang pwedeng gumamit nun. Whereas yung may budget natin na medyo malaki-laki, ito yung sinasabi natin kanina na mayroong assignability feature. So, sa Eternal Plans po, in terms of budget, we can accommodate. If you have a budget of 500,000 or even $1 million budget for a life plan, then we have it. If you have a budget of maybe even 700 pesos a year, mas maliit pa kaysa cellphone load na ginagamit natin, we have a life plan. So, yan po ang advantage ng Eternal Plans.
Parang talagang naka-fit to 80 kung ano yung kaya ng isang pamilya dahil nga, again, na-anticipate po ng Eternal Plans ang talagang naiisip ng average Filipino family.
Po. Kaya nga po, malakas ang loob natin. We are very enthusiastic about our mission na sana po lahat magkaroon ng life plan.
Again, tutukan lang po natin sandali kasi nga ano ang ngayon, pandemya, ano po ang mga parang reaction ng mga pamilyang nawawala ng mahal sa buhay. Agad-agad po ba silang pumupunta o ano po yung nagiging practice?
We have a very Filipino value po natin na yung pakikiramay. Yung ba may namatay, nakikiramay po kami.
Respect.
Okay. That is a very Filipino value natin. Parte ng kultura natin ng pakikiramay. Ngayon, kung tingnan natin sa pamilya natin, every time somebody is in need, buong pamilya ay nandoon.
Right.
Kung tayo. Okay. May somebody, halimbawa sinabi ng kapatid, uwi ka, si nanay medyo delikado ang lagay niya. Kahit malayong lugar, ipapangutang yan, uuwi because they would like to be there during the last minutes o last seconds na nandun ng makalilang buhay. So, yung pakikiramay natin. At hindi yun at the point of death. Even after death, nandun pa rin yung pakikiramay. Okay. Unfortunately, because of this pandemic, ito po ang hindi nagawa natin. Hindi nagawa. Because to control the pandemic, the virus, nandoon yung i-isolate kung ikaw infected. Kung hindi ka naman infected, you are restricted. So in a way, yung pakikiramay natin, hindi natin nagawa. Okay, hindi natin nagawa. Because of this experience, I guess, it heightened the need, yung pangangailangan, yung benepisyo natin. Because when you are not, o kung halimbawa, yung isang tao mamamatay, kung yung taong namamatay, that is the point of helplessness. Kung ika naman ay mayroong kang kapamilya na nandoon sa ospital, you are also feeling helpless. So, if ever there is anything that this pandemic has illustrated, is the isolation of people and the helplessness of people. I-relate natin sa life plan. Actually po, napakalaking oportunidad po yun sa amin. Para sa amin, with the life plan, we are just a phone call away. Help is just a phone call away. So, yung pakikiramay natin na ibigay pa rin natin. Kasi yung mga memorial service representatives po natin, during this pandemic, we call them APOR. They are authorized representative to render the memorial services. So if ever yung pandemic natin, one of the very, siguro what illustrates best itong pandemic natin, na wala yung pakikiramay natin, hindi natin nagawa, but nevertheless, nandoon pa rin. The feeling of helplessness can be supplied by our PNID plan. Kaya sabi nga namin, get a life plan, pandemic or not pandemic, the life plan can help. Because we internal plans, the help is just a phone call away. That is our motto there when we're in the life plan. So ito po yun during this pandemic.
Right. Napakalaking relief po na malaman na ang bilis, nandyan kayo. At pangalan pa lang, Sir Rolly, eternal plans.
Yes po.
Eternal ang help, eternal ang pagsilbi, eternal ang nandyan sila para sa inyo na talagang natataranta at that moment, eto kami or etong eternal plans, mabilis na mabilis, one phone call away, you know. Okay. Ito pong moving on. Ito po kasing alam natin na ang plans nyo or it stayed afloat. Samantalang buong industriya, masasabi natin, sumemplang. Ika nga, yun ang word mong tawagin. So, how did you do it? Anong sikreto meron ang eternal plans na naging survivor sa nangyari pong ito? Go ahead po.
Okay po. Ito po yung experience ng PNID industry is one of the sad experience na member companies ng PNID industry ay decided to abandon the business. Okay. But Eternal Plans did not. Okay. So, all these years, for 40 years, we have been here and we have been serving people. So, admittedly, we are affected. Okay? Naapektuhan tayo ng branded industry. Okay? But what is the benefit po? Una po na benefit, the owners of the company did not waiver. Okay? So, that, para sa akin, that is the number one thing about the company. The owners of the company did not waver about supporting the company. Okay? They are still, if we remember Amba, yung founder po natin, he was very adamant, very firm about his saying, every time we met him, sinasabi niya, ang commitment niyo ay commitment ko. So that is, the company survived on the commitment of its founders. And now, ay pinagpapatuloy ng owners natin. Okay. So, now, of course, sabi ko nga, naapektuhan tayo, we suffer the pain, okay? But yet, we are here because the commitment that we have given we will honor it. We will continue to serve our plan holders. Yun po yun. That is the biggest difference. At isa pa po, kung titingnan niyo po, nabanggit mo kahapon, you were talking with Eternal Gardens. Okay. Kung titingnan niyo po, the Eternal Group of Companies, we have the complete of memorialization package.
Right.
Okay?
Ano po ibig sabihin nun ulit?
Okay. Ibig sabihin po noon, we have a life plan, the pre-need memorial services, okay, which is with Eternal Plans. Now, the ALC group now has eternal chapels. These are funeral parlors, okay, mortuaries na nagbibigay na administer, okay, shall we say, render the memorial services. Yung life plan is a pre-need program. Your actual at-need memorial service is rendered by Eternal Chapels, another affiliate po ng Eternal Plans. Of course, kailangan ng lote na nakausap mo kahapon yung Eternal Gardens. So, this is a complete memorial service, memorialization package. At kung titingnan nyo po, napakalapit sa kultura, sa values ng Pilipino, ang memorial services package natin. So, tayo naniniwala that sa tunay na nagmamahalan ng mga tao, not even death can separate us. Yun po, paniniwala. Even ang Pinoy, yan po, we value that kind of bond. That kind of bond. Kaya kung hindi tayo nakakarating sa sementeryo sa panahon ng undas, para bang kulang. So we value that bond. At ito po yun, memorialization is very close to us. So with that complete package of memorialization, yun po ang competitive advantage din ng ALC Group of Companies. At sa ngayon po, tayo lang ang meron ng ganun.
At saka, Sir Rolly, nabanggit din ni Sir Joey kahapon na yung columbarium, yung structures that house the crypts for the ash remains. Meron din po tayo niyan sa ating Eternal Garden.
Yes po. So, doon po yun, kasi sa Eternal Plans, with the rise of cremation cases.
Yes, ang dami po.
So, maraming kine-cremate. In fact, mga crematoriums saying na hindi nila kaya, ini-schedule na ang pag-cremate. So, there is really an influx of a bigger number of cremation services. So, yun, ang pangangailangan ngayon is the cremation plan. Okay? So, yun po. Yes po.
Nakapokus na kayo somehow dito po sa crematorium o crypts.
Iyan po ang isa yun sa mga maganda na feature ng life plan ng Eternal Plans. We were talking about yung service po natin, yung traditional memorial services. Okay. But because of this pandemic, na naging in-demand din ang cremation service, even our life plan, sabihin na natin, it's a very futuristic on the part of Eternal Plans. Our life plan, yung memorial service benefit can also be used to render the cremation service. That's the flexibility. So, sinabi natin, pandemic or non-pandemic, we have a life plan na pwedeng gamitin for the memorial services na hinihingi ng mga tao. We can provide, our life plan also provides memorial service that can be used for cremation services. Kaya napapanahon pa rin ang produkto ng life plan natin kahit na ang cremation service ang ina-avail ng mga tao.
Okay. When you're saying ina-avail po, ito po bang ating mga mahal sa buhay, you make sure your loved ones know what type of service you would want for yourself. Meron ba tayong tinatawag na traditional burial or cremation? O ano po yan? Paano nyo po sinasabi sa kanila?
Okay. Sa mga tao naman po, sa ngayon, yung mga Filipinos nowadays, we are now, in terms of acceptance of the possibility of death, nandoon po yan. Okay. Marami nang nagsasabi sa amin, when I die, I would like to be cremated. Okay. So, from the very start, gusto na nila is cremation service. So, walang problema po yun. We have a life plan that can cater to that, to render the cremation service. Now, halimbawa, kumuha ngayon, gusto ko cremation service. Yung pamilya na ay nangyari nasa abroad. Okay, 2 o 3 anak nasa abroad, namatay sa Pilipinas yung nanay. At sabi ng 3 anak, sabi niya, please, huwag niyo i-cremate Okay? Because we would like to go home. Pilipino yun eh.
Opo.
Okay. So ganun. So, kung i-cremate mo, ayaw nila yon. So ngayon, wala tayong choice. Okay, we will have the quasi-traditional. Magkakaroon tayo ng lamay, magkakaroon tayo ng casket. So, kung cremation plan lang ang mayroon tayo, medyo that will not be able to accommodate that. But with the life plan na meron ang eternal plans, that can also be accommodated. So sabi say, I changed my mind. Gusto ko na traditional memorial services. The same life plan can be used for that. So yung po ang kagandahan ng life plan natin. Whether you want a cremation plan, cremation service, or traditional burial services, or even the combination of that, we have one life plan that can accommodate that kind of request.
Okay. In other words, kumpleto. Pagka sa eternal plan sila nagtawag, ang daming choices, mabibigyan kayo ng mga options, ano yung kaya nyo, anong hindi, ano ang pwede. At lalo na po itong namatay kong nanay niya, kaibigan ko dito sa Black Hawk, San Francisco, ayaw nilang i-cremate. So, yung body naman po, manggagaling dito yung cadaver, iuuwi dyan sa atin at magkakaroon ng talagang funeral services. So, yung mga professionals po, bago, ang bilis ng oras natin. We have to pause for a break. Mag-news break lang tayo sa Rolly, no? Pagbabalik natin, siguro tutukan lang natin yung cost of dying kasi yun ang text na naman sa akin, ano? Siguro, lahat sila ay aligaga dahil alam nila ang budget nga kanina na take up na natin very quickly, but tutukan muli natin at i-zero in natin yung talagang professional fees ng casket o yung mga cremation, ang ceremony, etc. Pero yan po ay tatalakayin natin sa ating pagbabalik. Sir Rolly, you have to drop the call and then rejoin us at 3:35. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Thank you very much.
Alright, yan po si Sir Rolly Bongalon at tayo babalik but we have to pause for a break.
Si Miss Loli Acosta, Sulong na Bayan sa DWIZ 882. DWIZ! Si Miss Loli Acosta, Sulong na Bayan sa DWIZ 882.
Alright, nagbabalik po muli ang ating programa Sulong na Bayan at syempre kapiling pa rin po natin sa kabilang linya ng komunikasyon via Zoom ang ating Senior Assistant Vice President for Sales ng Eternal Plans Inc., no less than si Sir Rolly Bongalon. At syempre salamat kay Jerry Marentes at syempre sa ating CEO na si classmate Antoinette Cabangon Jacinto na pinagbigyan tayo at panayam natin ang kanilang Senior Assistant Vice President for Sales. Okay, medyo may mga text na po tayong natatanggap sa Rolly, At nakita ko dito sa mga text na ito, gusto nila malaman ano po ba ang prepaid funeral plan at yung monthly payments. Gaano po ito kababa o mataas o ano po ang pwedeng or the different ways to pay for your own funeral or cemetery or cremation expenses in advance para lang po maintindihan natin.
Okay. So, para yung sinasabi po na prepaid memorial services, yan po sinasabi natin na pre-need plan. Meaning to say, bago dumating ang pangangailangan ng memorial services, you already have a program na pwedeng sagutin ang pangangailangan na pondo at the same time, the facilitation of the memorial services. That is a prepaid memorial service. Okay? So, parang nandyan, it's ready na pwedeng gamitin anytime. So, that is a pre-need plan. Okay. Ngayon, magkano? Dalawang bagay po. Una, we have what we call yung renewable life plan natin. Nasabi ko nga yung micro. Okay? 700 pesos for 20,000 memorial service. 700 pesos sa loob ng isang taon.
My gosh,
sorry, pwede naman natin lakihan kasi ang 20,000 po, in Metro Manila area, medyo po, maliit na po yun. In the provincial area, mayroon pa tayong nakukuhang mga memorial services na gano'n. And while we are at that, na mayroong mga ganun klaseng serbisyo, yun po ang pagpili po ng memorial service kung magkano ang babayaran, magdedepende po. We have highly trained sales counselors na pwedeng mabigyan na para po nagbebenta ng life insurance. How much would you like to have it? Ano pong klase ang gusto mong serbisyo? At bibigyan tayo ng ganon. So ang suggestion ko, those who are really, yung mga gusto kumuha ng memorial service, they can contact us po. They can contact us. We can contact them para naman mabigyan ng magandang proposal. They can email to us at marketing@eternalplans.net.ph para makapagbigay tayo ng magandang proposal. I tell you po, it is very affordable. Depende kung anong klaseng kailangan natin. Okay? So yun po ang karakter ng Eternal Plans. Ang produkto natin are very affordable at we can customize the kind of program na gusto nila.
Ayun, you beat me on that.
Mabigat.
Right. Yan po yung tatanong kong sunod eh. You can customize. So ano po yung, what prepaid funeral plans cover? Ano po ang mga naando nakapaloob?
Okay. Prepaid funeral plans cover, ganito po. Ang prepaid memorial service natin is a complete memorial service package. Okay. So ang gagawin lang na, once they have that, a fully paid life plan, ang gagawin lang nila, pagka na kailangan na yun, they have to call us. We have a 24/7 memorial service hotline. May sasagot at sasagot po doon for memorial services. Pagkatapos na ma-coordinate ang request, we talk to an accredited funeral parlor. We have more than 300 funeral parlors all over the Philippines. Accredited po natin yan. So tatawagan natin, halimbawa Mindanao, tatawagan natin yung memorial funeral parlor sa Mindanao to render the service. So pag tinawagan natin yan, sasabihin natin ito po, na itong plan holder namin, ito ang kanyang package, ito po, pakibigay ng serbisyo. Pupunin ng punerarya, dadalhin sa funeral parlor at i-render yung memorial yung embalming, cosmetics, and casket. Kasama na po ang casket doon. After may pasok sa casket, yung wake. Pwedeng sa bahay, pwedeng sa mortuary. Then after 3 or 5 days wake, dadalhin sa huling hantungan. That is the complete memorial service package. So, and along the way from the very start up to the end, we have a memorial service assistant na aalalay sa pamilya. So ngayon, ang quantifiable benefit ng life plan is this, the service. Parang meron nang nag-aasikaso, so yung pamilya will have time to grieve rather than worrying about how to render the memorial service. Yung po memorial service package natin.
Parang halos lahat ay kinuha nyo na para ma-unburden yung yung mga bereaved family and members of the family. Okay, si Lito Castrense, tinatanong niya po, di po siya sa lungsod ng Pasig. What happens if you miss prepaid funeral payments?
Okay. Okay. In terms of payment, akala ko ang sinasabi, paano kung hindi mo nagamit yung memorial service benefit? I'll go into that.
We will move into that also.
Meron po kasi tayo, ang maganda sa mga prepaid plans, you do it by installment.
Ayun.
Okay? So, sabi ko nga, very affordable, convenient way of paying because they can do it by installment. Ngayon, at ang installment na yan, meron pang grace period. For you. Say, for example, due date ngayon, from now, meron silang 60 days to pay the installment. So, ganun po siya ka-convenient, ganun ka-affordable ang pagbabayad. At ang maganda pa dito, they don't need to go to the branch. Ang Eternal Plans, we have accredited collection partners. Wow. They can go to the bank, they can go to, babanggitin ko na, may Bayan Center tayo, may GCash, everything. So, very convenient po para they do not miss the payment of their plan.
Right. At saka sabi mo pang allowance Kung hindi ka talaga nakapunta ng deadline, pwede pa palang somehow, pagbigyan ka pa at makabayad ka. So,
kumbaga para sa atin, for Eternal Plans, we are just making it easier for people to have a prepaid plan.
Ako talaga naman yung serbisyo matatawag natin. Hindi na to incomparable. That's what sets you apart. Ulitin ko lamang po para sa mga nakatune in lang o late sila nakatune in. Ano nga po ba ang cutting edge? Bakit ganyan ang serbisyo na binibigay ng Eternal Plans? Samantalang yung iba hindi makapagbigay ng ganyang todo-todong serbisyo.
Okay po. Sabi ko nga kanina, cutting edge of the company, it's the commitment of the company. Unwavering commitment to deliver the services. Second, ang produkto natin. We have a product that can cater to those, yung sabihin nga natin, Class B, Class C, Class D market. So we have that. We can also cater to Class B, Class A markets. So we have a product that is, shall we say, applicable, affordable para sa lahat. So that is, we have a very, yung competitive and affordable products na meron tayo. And of course, yung ating memorial mortuary network. We have more than 300 mortuary networks, mortuaries, accredited mortuaries all over the Philippines. So basically, practically we have one mortuary at strategic places in the country. So yun po yun. Anywhere they are, we can provide the service. And of course, sabanggitin ko na po, ang cutting edge pa rin, sabi na, palaging hindi na-recognize. Okay. Yung mga sales associates natin, na talagang nagmamalasakit sa kumpanya, nagmamalasakit sa kanilang plan holders, okay? At kasama doon ang mga sales associates natin, yung mga empleyado din ng company, very caring na nagmamalasakit sa plan holders. So ito po yun. Sabihin natin, you have a total, complete package at Eternal Plans. Sabihin natin, we care about our plan holders. We're able to deliver the service.
Right. Yung trust at saka loyalty din nila po dahil talagang may malasakit ang ilan po ba ang empleyado ng Eternal Plans? Buong Pilipinas.
Okay. Sa buong Pilipinas po, we have more than 1,000 sales associates, okay, na active sales associates. Though we have several thousands na hindi, kasi yun po ang typical na mga sales associates. Meron dito, kuminsan naging active, kuminsan na inactive. But basically, yung active natin, we have more than 1,000. Yung mga organic personnel po natin sa empleyado, tinamaan po tayo ng pandemic. Tinamaan tayo ng pandemic, so malungkot na we have yung mga nagbawasan tayo ng mga empleyado. But sa ngayon po, we have at head office we have more than 65 personnel at head office. Yung sa mga branches din po, meron pa rin tayo.
And then, ito pong matatawag natin, ulitin lang natin si Rolly, yung pros and cons of prepaid funeral plans. Ano yung mas malaking advantahe o kung meron mang cons o hindi maganda. Ano po yan? Para lang na-explain natin sa ating viewers.
Definitely po, memorial service, kailangan ang memorial service. Okay? Either you do it, you prepare for that at need. Kumbaga ang at need sinasabi natin, pag kailangan na, we go to a funeral parlor and request for a memorial service. Okay? Yung pre-need, okay? Or ngayon pa lang. So what is the difference? With pre-need, you can do it by installment. Okay? You can do it by installment. Say, for example, what you get na 50,000 ngayon, 10 years or 15 years from now, that will become 100,000 ang value. Okay? So may increment po kasi yun. So, in a way, if you do it by pre-need, napapamura ka. Okay. You are yung mas mura ang babayaran.
Right.
Okay? Kasi may panahon pa para tumubo din yung memorial service benefit natin. And you do it by installment. Whereas if you do it at the time na kinakailangan mo na, if the service is 100,000, then and there, bubunod ka, magbabayad ka ng 100,000.
Right. Nako.
So that's the biggest difference po. In terms of affordability, in terms of kung kakayanin natin ang gastos, mas maganda po, we do it the pre-need way. Mas makakamura at convenient sa pagbabayad.
So ayan, malinaw po sa ating mga tagapakinig, dahil yun po yung lagi nilang nasa saloobin Paano ba, kakayanin ko ba o dapat ba ito lang muna, installment o kung ano man yung pwedeng. Ang sarap maintindihan sa Eternal Plans na kayo po ay lahat ay may options, lahat ay inyong ino-offer. Basta sila ay masatisfy. Dahil yun po yung commitment ni Amba. Naalala ko po very quickly lang si Amba Antonio Cabangon. Nung sabi niya, alam mo Loli, hindi bali nang hindi tayo kumita Importante maka-reach out tayo sa kanila. Sila yung nangangailangan. Kailangan nandito tayo, ipagkaloob natin kung ano yung meron tayong bibigay na commitment. Nandun po sa puso niya yung pagtulong muna more than the profit. So, yun po ang tatanong kong susunod. Ang profit, yun na nga nag-collapse na yung college, ano ba yung mga assurance plan, mga kung ano-ano nga education plan. Pero anong dyan ang eternal plans? Ano po yung matatawag nating blessings? Ito pong nakukuha natin dito sa nangyayari ngayon.
Okay. Nung tinanong mo yan, I remember yung speech po ng aming chairman during one of the annual awards, si Boss Anton.
Okay.
Kilala niyo po si Boss Anton. Yeah. Sabi niya, we are here not so much for profit as for service to the Filipino people. Yan po yung sinabi niya. Okay. And from the very beginning, yun din ang sinabi sa amin ni Amba. Okay, gusto natin makatulong. So in terms of profit, sabihin po natin, sabi, during this pandemic talagang lahat ng negosyo tinatamaan. Okay? Yes. Lahat ng negosyo tinatamaan, but we are there. Gusto natin ipagpatuloy yon para maserbisyuhan. So sabi ko nga, ulitin ko, not so much for profit as for service to the Filipino people. Yan po ang sinabi ng aming chairman during one of his speeches. So, pwede ba slowly, tanggitin ko lang, one of the fears kung bakit yung mga tao ay hindi kumukuha ng lifeline.
Opo. Bakit parang apprehensive? Hindi pa rin
apprehensive. Okay. Para sa know the value of the lifeline. Okay? Given the opportunity, they would like to have one. Okay? Na-educated na po yung mga tao natin. Ang problema sa kanila, ganito. Akala nila, you already have to get ganito na klase, ganito na kalaki ang memorial service mo. At paano kung hindi matapos pagbabayad? So it's more on consideration paano, magkano at magbabayaran. Okay? Sabi ko nga, pwede pong kumuha muna ng maliit na klaseng service. Pagkatapos na mabayaran yon, pwedeng kumuha ulit. In fact, we have a lot of plan holders na mayroong multiple plans. Okay? Dinadagdag at dinadagdag nila, lumalaki na rin ang memorial service na pwedeng gamitin. So yun po yun. Kaya ang advice natin sa mga tao, don't be afraid. Kailangan natin ang lifeline. Kung paano mag-umpisa, umpisahan lang po. Umpisahan lang. Don't worry about finishing that dahil nakukuha at nakukuha pa rin po yun.
So, napaka-importante. Right. Again, biblical po yan. My people perish for lack of knowledge. Sabi sa Hosea 4:6. Pag kulang talaga kaalaman natin, kaya katulad yan, ang tagal-tagal na nilang akala ganun. Yung pala pwede namang umpisa na at nadagdagan na lang, unti-unti, matatapos din yan at makukuha mo yung talagang kailangan.
Yes po. Kaya nga po, pasalamat kami sa opportunity na itong binigay. For us to be able to tell people, this is Eternal Plans, this is our life plan, we are here to facilitate the memorial services and we are here to give you a pre-need program na kakayanin ng lahat. Salamat po sa opportunity na yan.
Right. Nandito lamang po at sister company namin po kayo, lalong-lalo ng aking classmate na si Antoinette. Classmate ang tawag ko dyan, si Antoinette Jacinto. Pero give us a 60-second door para mas maintindihan pa po ang message of hope ang nakikinig na sa atin na ngayon ay talagang medyo may burden pa. At ayan, nakawala na set free na natin sila doon sa burden na inaakala nilang masyado mabigat pala o yung mga misnomer na inyong nabanggit. Ito, nilinaw nyo categorically, hindi naman pala ganun. Just kung in-worry mo na. Again, your closing pitch. This is not the last time kasi kakailanganin pa rin po natin mag-coordinate every so often, dahil nga may pandemic tayo. But for now, your closing remarks po, Sir Rolly. Go ahead po.
Okay po. Sa experience po namin, we have had tens of thousands of memorial services. At ito lang po ang masasabi ko. Wala pong nagsisisi na bumili ng lifeline. Mas marami ang nagsisi na pangangailangan dahil may namatay, walang lifeline. So ito po yun, babalikan po yung mission ng Eternal Plans. We would like to provide a lifeline for every Filipino home, providing dignified memorial services, taking out worries from the minds of people. Walang nagsisisi pag may lifeline. So they can contact us marketing@eternalplans.net.ph.
Okay, may Facebook account po tayo, Sir Rolly.
Meron po.
And then yung website.
Sa website po natin. www.eternalplans.net.ph. Yan po ang website ng Eternal Plans.
Okay. Thank you so much po. Hindi lang po itong huli. Again, we will coordinate with you dahil may mga tawag po tayong natatanggap ngayon. Yung iba pang hindi nila naitanong. But again, maraming salamat po. God bless po, Sir Rolly. Sa uulitin.
Thank you po. Ingat po tayo lahat.
Okay, yan po ang ating Senior Assistant Vice President for Sales ng Eternal Plans Inc., no less than Sir Rolly Bonggalan. May pahabol lang si ating Ivy Johnson dyan sa ALC Group of Companies. Meron po silang nilaunch kanina as we speak. Meron pong job portal na nilaunch dyan. This ALC Group job portal is your gateway to new career opportunities in a diverse conglomerate that serves various industries. Kanina po yan, just #hiring, #hiring now, #career, #a new beginning, ALC Group of Companies. So, abangan niyo po yan dahil gusto po nilang makatulong sa ating job seekers. All you have to do is just log on and then fill up the website and then mag-register lang po to start applying for their prospect jobs. They can also upload their resume on site. And again, maraming salamat sa ating naging kaagapay, Engineer Jeric Barreto at ang ating SOCMED, kompleto dyan, Sir Alex Calda, at ngayon na rin ang ating Chairman D. Edgard Cabangon. And thank you everyone. God bless. Bye.
Si Miss Loli Acosta, Sulong na Bayan sa DWIZ 882.